Hi, my name is Dutch with Acorn Engineering. Today we're going to show you our selection of Deluxe portable Wash-Ware units. The PS1010 Deluxe portable Wash-Ware sink is a self-contained freestanding unit. This model requires the use of faucet PS1000F11. It is operated by a foot pump, so it is ideal for use in remote locations where there is no electric, freshwater supply, or drain. Freshwater is supplied by an onboard 5-gallon freshwater tank and drains to an onboard 6-gallon wastewater tank. The PS1015 Deluxe Portable Wash-Ware unit is ideal for adding hand washing capabilities to new locations. Fresh water is supplied by a standard 3/4-inch hose with an inline ball valve for easy on-off at the point of use. There is a second 3/4 hose connection for wastewater. Without tanks that need to be emptied, this unit can wash hands forever. The PS1020 Deluxe Portable Wash-Ware unit is a freestanding hand washing station. Fresh water is supplied by a standard 3/4-inch hose with an inline ball valve for easy on and off at the point of use. There is a 6-gallon tank for wastewater. It is important to monitor the fill level of the waste tank and proactively empty when necessary. The PS1030 Deluxe Portable Wash-Ware unit is a freestanding hand washing station. This model comes standard with a 6-gallon wastewater tank. A 5-gallon freshwater tank supplies water to the faucet through an on-demand electric pump. This unit must be plugged into a standard GFCI outlet. The PS1040 Deluxe Portable Wash-Ware unit is a freestanding hand washing station. Fresh water is supplied by a standard 3/4-inch hose with an inline ball valve for easy off and on at the point of use. There is a 6-gallon tank for wastewater. It is important to monitor the fill level of the waste tank and proactively empty when it is necessary. This unit also comes with a point-of-use water heater to supply tempered water. Electricity is needed to run this unit. Simply plug into any standard GFC outlet and the unit is ready for use. Refer to Water Heater Manual for proper use and installation instructions. All units come pre-drilled with hardware to accept any of the accessories offered. They also come standard with 2 handles and 4 casters, 2 of them locking to keep the unit stationary. The offset drain helps to minimize splashing. All models with electricity should be kept out of the elements when not in use. All of the Deluxe portable sink models may be secured by placing a lock and chain through the 2 holes in the rear and bottom of the unit. All models come pre-assembled and shipped via pallet. Just install your faucet and your sink is ready for use. For any further instructions or questions, please contact Acorn Engineering.